Hey guys, I'm Mark Reinfeld, plant-based chef and author, and today I'm going to show you how you can make an amazingly simple, savory snack, baked eggplant fries. We're going to start with a medium-sized eggplant. We'll cut it in half, slice it lengthwise, and slice it into about 1 inch by 1 inch by 6 inch strips like fry shapes. The wet mixture includes a plant-based milk, some toasted sesame oil, and a little bit of 5-spice powder to give this like an Asian flair. For our coating, this is going to be a sesame coating. In that we're going to have breadcrumbs, white and black sesame seeds, a bit of salt, and some of the 5-spice powder. So you're going to dip one by one eggplant into the flour, get it well coated. Using that same hand, put it in the liquid mixture, and then add it to the coating, and use your other hand to get them nice and coated well. Transfer them to a parchment paper lined baking sheet and place in the oven for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, carefully flip them and bake them for another 5 minutes or so until slightly golden and crispy. These treats are really delicious. They're crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. We're going to serve them here with a little tamari dipping sauce. You can also use a sweet and sour sauce or a teriyaki sauce for dipping. Enjoy.